Hi dear students, in this video I'm going to explain multiplying a row matrix by a column matrix. Here there is a good example for this one. Here this is like electronic shop and it sells TV and radio, or we get the data only TV and radio for. And here Monday they sold 6 TV and 2 radio. As you know the different prices, while you're calculating the TV, you're going to multiply with here, it's giving the cost also. You should multiply by 400, and when you're calculating the radio, you should multiply by 50. And it is asking, work out the total amount of money taken Monday. Monday, it's going to be like this, 6 times 400 plus 2 times 50, it's going to be. And what is the relation between the matrices, if you ask? We can write these two, we can write these two as row matrix and column matrix. Here, as you see here, the 6 and 2, they are the numbers from the Monday, the TV number, and here, this is the number for the radio, how many sold, and these are the prices, 400 for the TV and 50 for the radio, and the calculation makes 2,500. You know, I didn't calculate, but 6 times 400, that makes 2,400, and 2 times 50 makes 100. So total, it's going to be equal to 2,500. It's going to be, as you see here. Okay, then let's come to this part here. These are all row matrices by column matrices, and you understood that when you are multiplying two matrices, you are not multiplying every number by every number. So here this is going to be 6 times 400 and 2 times 50 only. Or if we calculate for this one, 5 times, this is Tuesday values, I think, 5 times 400, it's going to be 5 TV sold and 7 radio sold, which is 7 times 50. 5 times 400, that makes, it's equal to 2,000, and 7 times 50, it's equal to 350, it's going to be. So the answer 2,350, it's going to be, as you see here. Or 8 times 400, this is Wednesday prices, 8 times 400, it's going to be plus 6 times 50, which is equal to 8 times 400, 3,200. And 6 times 50, it's going to be equal to 300. So 3,500 is the answer it's going to be. And this is the way to calculate the row matrix by multiplying by column matrix. So you're not multiplying each entry, each number by each number. 8 times 400 only, 6 times 50. You should make that one and you will get correct result. Okay, here there are some exercises. This is 1 by 2 matrix, and this is 2 by 1 matrix. So it's going to be equal to 3 you are going to multiply only by 8, and 2 you are going to multiply by only by 4. If you remember from the previous exercise, here 6 only you can multiply by 400, and 2 only by 15. So the result, it's going to be 3 times 8 here, plus 2 times 4. 3 times 8, it's going to be equal to 24, plus 8 it's going to be, so the result, it's going to be equal to 32. Multiplying these two as a matrix, if you write, it's going to be equal to 32. Okay, what about this one? This is firstly 1 times 3, 2 times 1, so it's going to be equal to 1 times 1 matrix. I'm going to explain in the next video that one. 1 times 8 only, 1 times 8, minus 5 times 0, plus minus 5 times 0, plus 2 times 3, it's going to be, which is equal to 8, plus 0, minus 5 times 0, it's 0, plus 6, it's going to be, and 8 plus 6, it's equal to 14, it has to be. So the result, it's going to be equal to 14 here, and we can write like this. Okay, here this is the example if we don't have the one of the variable, but the result is written here. One of the value we don't know, and instead of that one variable it is given. So we are going to multiply x by 3 and 2 by 1, and the result matrix, it's going to be equal to 23, which means x times 3 plus 2 times 1, it should be equal to 23 here, which is 3x plus 2 is equal to 23. 3x is equal to 23 minus 2 it has to be. And x is equal to 3x is equal to 21. And x is equal to 21 over 3, which is equal to, x is equal to 7, it's going to be, and we found the value here, this is 7, 2, and 3, 1 matrix, row matrix is 7, 2. Okay, here we have the exercises. Only one exercise from here I'm going to solve, because I solve this kind of exercises, I want to solve something like this. Here, H1 I'm going to solve, like 5 times 1, plus 3 times 2, 2 times 7 plus 2 times 7, and plus 6 times 3 it's going to be. So the answer is going to be equal to 5 plus 6 plus 14 plus 21, which is equal to 5 plus 6, it's 11. 14 plus 21, it is equal to 35. The answer is going to be equal to 46. So the answer of this one, 46, it's going to be. It is not necessarily to write like this, but if you write in this form, it will be better for us. Here we have some exercises with unknown, as you understand. Here I can solve the C1 here. So 2 times x plus 5 times 7, or 7 times 5, plus 2 times minus 3, it has to be is equal to 21, which is equal to 2x plus 35 minus 6 is equal to 21. It has to be, and 35 minus 6, it's going to be 29. 2x plus 29 is equal to 29 is equal to 21. It should be 2x is equal to 21 minus 29. 2x is equal to minus 8. X is equal to minus 8 over 2, which is equal to minus 4. It has to be. So we are going to write here minus 4. Okay, this is the end of the lesson. We are going to solve the rest of the questions in the class.